With this cursor, it's kind of like a ping pong ball. It's gonna go back and forth in this array while decrementing all the elements in the array. To make all the numbers to be 0, we have to make sure the cursor does not stop or ends before the array is full of 0. So to guarantee that, we see this array as a first half and a second half divided by a 0, which is gonna be one of the starting point. So if the total number of the first half equal to the second half, we can go either direction, either go left first or go right first. But if there are differences, and the differences is 1, there's only one direction we can go. Either we can only go to the direction to the bigger side, like this. But if the difference is bigger than 1, then it is impossible. So this means 2 directions, 1 directions, 1 directions. That's how we calculate the possibilities or the possible options.